Hello everyone, my name is Robert Marzullo and welcome to my class, How to Draw a Scene in Two-Point Perspective. In this class, I'm going to walk you through the process for first establishing a sketch, a rough concept of what we want to see. We're going to be keeping perspective in mind, but we're going to be doing this freehand and allowing ourselves to focus on creativity first and then get everything that we want to see into the scene, into our rough sketch, so that we can work from here. So this will be our template. Then at the next stage of the work, we're going to establish a two-point perspective grid and start to roll out more lines. This will allow us to see any problems that we have in our rough sketch and start to correct those. So we're going to use a lot more of a structured approach and start to see where we can fix things, what we can add, and continually improve upon this. Then after all the base information is in place, we're going to start rendering out our line work. This is the part where we try to make different surfaces feel like different materials. This is very important. That way we don't have an overly structured perspective drawing. We have something that reads as a hand-drawn illustration. Then for the final stage of the work, I'm going to show you how to apply some value. This can be nice for clients, and also it can give you a better dimensional feel to your own work so that when you create your next scene, you can think a little bit more in a three-dimensional way. So I always find this to be a useful technique. So I hope you're ready to bring your perspective drawing to the next level. I can't wait to see what you come up with, and I'm here if you got any questions. As always, good luck with your art, and I'll talk to you soon.